Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Veronica Kamula YouTube channel. If you're new to this YouTube channel, karibu sana. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming back. Yes, so guys, today I told you guys the other day I'm gonna show you amazing recipe, and today I'm going to cook Nigerian soup. What are we making? So that to eat a Nigerian. So we are making okra soup, okra with beef soup. So this is our meat. We have our beef hapo, tuko na nyama yetu ya ng'ombe, cow meat, and then we have 2 onions kwa sababu ni tudogo, and 2 large tomatoes. We have our sufuria to fry them, of course. Yes guys, we also have our salt to taste. Remember that guys, in this channel most times we don't use spices, we only use natural spices, and these are our okra ama mabenda. Yes, hizi zinaitwa okra ama mabenda. Nigeria wanapenda sana vitu zinakaa hivi mabenda. Yes, ni mabenda ama okra. This is how they look before I sliced them. That is how they look guys. As you can see, unaweza zipata kwa soko. Mine I bought them at Mothurwa, but you can buy them hata kwa mama mboga hapo nje, you can find them. And then I have my blender, of course. You know, Nigerian soup, tomatoes have to be blended, of course. I'm gonna go and blend my tomatoes, and then I'll come back. Before I blend my tomatoes guys, I want us to boil our meat first. And remember, rule number 1 before we fry our meat ni kuiweka kwanza iive without boiling it. Yani hatuweki maji, tunaweka kwa sufuria kwa sababu we said guys that meat has its own water. Don't worry about my kamwiko inaharibika, but we're gonna get a new one soon. So we are going to pour our meat into our sufuria, and then we cook it for about 10 minutes without adding water. The only thing that we're going to add is salt to taste. Guys, I told you, don't you ever try boiling your meat without adding salt, because it will be tasteless. So we're gonna add some small salt to boil in with the cow meat. And guys, don't add water into your meat. Wacha iboil yenyewe, nyama inakuanga na maji yake. So let's cover it and wait for it kuiva. After that guys, I'm gonna come back and show you the next step. Keep tuned, like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I get to upload a new video, you get to be notified. So yes guys, I have already blended my tomatoes, and now it's time to check on our meat. As you can see, ni kama ishaiva, nyama yetu ni kama ishaiva, imebaki na tumaji tu kidogo. We are waiting for that water to dry up, and then we add our chopped onions, some cooking oil, and then it's done. Yes guys, so keep tuned. So guys, as you can see, our water has just dried up, and then we are adding our onion. Yes, after tumeongeza kitunguu, tunakoroga. Yes, you have to mix them well, and then we add oil. Don't worry about my kachupa ka oil, don't worry about it. Tunaongeza oil, and then we mix it so well and let the onion cook. Let the onion cook for around 2 minutes, and then we will come back and add our tomato paste. So guys, ukishaona zimeiva hivyo, vitunguu zako zimeiva, now you add in your blended tomatoes ama tomato paste if you have it. Mimi, I don't have tomato paste. I'm not going to use tomato paste. I'm only using my blended tomatoes because I love natural things. Then after adding your blended tomatoes, you mix it well, and then you cover it for around 10 minutes. You let the tomatoes cook well, and then after that I will come back and show you the next step. Keep tuned. Now our tomatoes are ready. As you can see, the soup has just turned, imeacha kukaa ile bright red, now it's dark red, meaning that our tomatoes are ready. Yes, as you can see, now it's time to add in our okra ama mabenda. Yes, unaiongezea anga hapo after everything is ready. Don't cook it for so long. You are only supposed to cook it for around 5 minutes because mabenda uiva haraka haraka, so you are only going to cook it for around 5 to 10 minutes. You let it simmer. Yes, you let it simmer for around 3 minutes, and then your okra Nigerian soup will be ready. So guys, let's do this. Wacha nieke zote, and then after that tutazifunikia, we'll let them cook, and then we will come to serve as I show you how our Nigerian okra soup came out. You can add water if you want soup, or add spices if you love them. Our okra Nigerian soup is ready. Yes guys, I don't like too much soup, so sijaweka maji mob, but if you love soup you can add water. And I said before, if you're a lover of spices, you can add your spices, kinagara masala, curry powder, you can add them, but for me I only prefer salt. Yes, because I am not a lover of spices so much. So this is how our meal looks like. It looks yummy. I'm gonna serve it with some ugali, and I'm sure that I will enjoy. Make sure you try this recipe, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Guys, I love you so much. Make sure you subscribe, and most important thing is to turn on that notification bell so that anytime I get to upload any new video, you get to be notified. Bye. Make sure you try this recipe.